best Android smartwatch. Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 now available for $30 off. If you're looking for one of the best smartwatches to pair with your Android device, then Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 could be the only one that can provide finest features at an affordable price. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 is available now at all-time low prices, just $30 off the original price on Amazon. So what makes Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 stand out? The Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 is equipped with a 40mm vibrant 1.3-inch display protected by sapphire glass, which makes it perfect for everyday eyewear. This watch is packed with a lot of innovative features, as it's powered by Samsung's latest SoC Exynos W1000 with 2GB RAM and 32GB of internal storage. Thus, a 300 mAh battery easily lasts for a day, and the host of sensors track your health and fitness metrics with convenience. Besides, with Wear OS, you get some of the best apps for wearables out there. Although this may not be the most significant discounting, but it is still a good deal among other Android smartwatches available in the market. It doesn't require a trade-in for this smartwatch. You can easily go ahead and add it to your cart to avail the facility of savings. If you're looking to get a new smartwatch or upgrade, here's a great choice you won't regret.